Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable President, with your permission, may we start the today's proceedings?
Please.
I invite Khatib Ehsanullah Kakad for the recitation of the Holy Quran and its translation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتذل من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير تولج الليل في النهار وتولج النهار في الليل وتخرج الحي من الميت وتخرج الميت من الحي وترزق من تشاء بغير حساب. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Say, O Allah, honor of sovereignty, you give sovereignty to whom you will, and you take sovereignty away from whom you will. You honor whom you will, and you humble whom you will. In your hand is all good. Indeed, you are over all things competent. You cause the night to enter the day, and you cause the day to enter the night. And you bring the living out of the dead, and you bring the dead out of the living. And you give provision to whom you will without account. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.
National journey. On the night of 6th and 7th May 2025, India launched an unprovoked, cowardly, and unlawful aggression against Pakistan. This deliberate attack, targeting innocent civilians, including children, women, and elderly citizens, and challenging Pakistan's sovereignty and territorial integrity, was repelled with exemplary grit and strategic clarity. The ensuing conflict, Marka-e-Haq, was a true test of national unity and institutional strength. It is a matter of immense pride that the valor of our armed forces was matched by the unwavering support and resilience of the Pakistani nation. It was this synergized national response, rooted in unity of purpose and led by able political leadership, that proved decisive. Alhamdulillah, victory was secured through seamless operational coordination between the Pakistan Army, Pakistan Air Force, and Pakistan Navy, whose combined strength embodied professional excellence, inter-service synergy, and unshakable resolve. Under the able leadership of Field Marshal syed Asim Munir, the Armed Forces of Pakistan translated adversity into strategic advantage through Operation Bunyanul Masoos, delivering a resolute and dignified response to the hostile alien designs. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan Armed Forces are globally regarded for their institutional strength, discipline, and meritocracy. Central to this excellence is a robust career management system, a meticulously structured framework of professional grooming, continual assessment, and command evaluation. This system ensures that leadership is earned and not bestowed, that rank is a function of consistent merit and hard work, not mere circumstance. Today, after almost 4 decades of commissioning of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, it is befitting to reflect upon his commissioning report at the Officers Training School, Mangla, penned in April 1986, which stands as a timeless testimony to the foresight and robustness of the assessment system of military institutions that nurture the potential with precision. It may come as a surprise to you, sir, but let me read the report of Gentleman Cadet Syed Asim Munir, which states, a tall, smart, and well-groomed cadet who has an impressive military bearing. He is remarkably intelligent, highly responsive, and exceptionally sharp. He is mature, polished, modest, and sure of himself. He possesses great sense of values and is a personification of outstanding professional and moral qualities. He is a gifted speaker and a forceful speaker with a lucid expression, a highly enterprising, extremely trustworthy, and unswervingly loyal cadet who is indomitable and has a dynamic personality. He is resolute, ardent, and exceptionally energetic. He is selfless, totally devoted, and an irreproachable cadet. Asim has acquired adequate professional knowledge and has an exceptional ability to translate the theoretical concepts into concrete tasks. He is extremely logical and rational in his approach. He is very humane, totally tolerant, and has a remarkable poise. He is scrupulously upright, honest, and a dependable cadet. He is meticulously quick in his reactions to the unexpected situations, pursues his objectives with perseverance, and displays good self-reliance. He is a good disciplinarian and insists on sound standards. He has an infinite physical stamina and remains calm, composed, and integrated under adverse conditions. An industrious and religious cadet who has learned part of the Holy Book by heart. He has been adjudged as the best cadet of 17th OTS course and has been awarded the Sword of Honor. Honorable guests, we now approach the moment for the formal conferment of the Baton of Field Marshal, and I would now request Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Nishane-e-Imtiaz Military Chief of the Army Staff, to kindly move to the center stage. Munir, Nishane-e-Imtiaz Military Chief of the Army Staff. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, to kindly deliver his address.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable President Asif Ali Zardari, Chairman Senate, Speaker National Assembly, Honorable Federal Ministers, Parliamentarians, Chief Ministers, Governors, Service Chiefs, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Today is a moment of profound national pride and historic importance for Pakistan. We salute our national heroes, Chief of Army Staff, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, General